Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss chapter 3 with you. The name is coordinate geometry. Now geometry start कहाँ से होती है? It starts from a point. Point means a single dot. A single dot, a pinpoint dot is called point. Now line. Line has the 2 points like this and this. If this point is 3 and this point is 7, so what is the distance between them? 7 minus 3, that is 4 centimeter. After line, what comes? Comes plane. Plane in which there are 2 axes. 2 axes means this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is called plane. Plane is also called Cartesian plane, xy plane. By any name we can call it xy plane or Cartesian plane. Now what is space? For space I want to give an example, like see the corner of this room. If this is visible to you, there are 3 axes. One line is going above. This is x-axis. One line is going there. This is called y-axis. And one line is coming there. This is called z-axis. So there are 3 axes. The line which is going above x-axis, line which is going in the right direction y-axis, line which is going there, this is z-axis. So in the space there are 3 axes like this, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. The room, halls, our schools, all are constructed in the space. Now what is quadrant and what are their signs? Quadrants. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is called plane. Plane, x-axis and y-axis divides the plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are called quadrants. Like this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. The process going on anti-clockwise. First, second, third and fourth. Now what about their signs? Like we all know that there are positive numbers 1, 2. There are negative numbers -1, -2. There are positive numbers 1, 2. There are negative numbers -1 and -2. So what are the sign of this first quadrant? These are positive numbers. So the sign is plus. And these are also positive numbers. The another sign is also plus. So सबसे पहले आपको x axis का sign देखना है and then y axis का. So the sign is plus plus. If it is second, then on x axis the numbers are negative. The sign will come minus. On y axis the all numbers are positive. So the sign will be plus. So the second quadrant signs are minus and plus. In third quadrant, x axis there is a minus sign. And y-axis there is also minus sign. So this is minus and minus because here are also negative numbers, here are also negative numbers. So the sign is minus minus. In the fourth quadrant on x-axis there are positive numbers, on y-axis there are negative numbers. So the sign is plus and minus. So you have no need to cram their signs. Just see the sign of x-axis first and then see the sign of y-axis. And mark it here plus plus, minus minus and plus minus. Now what is point form? If any point I am plotting it on the graph like this is x-axis and y-axis. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, same -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Like I am plotting the point 2, 0 and 0, 2. What is the difference in between these two? 2, 0. 2, 0 x-axis पे 2, y-axis पे 0. x-axis पे 2. This is y पे 0 means हमें कहीं नहीं जाना. So the point is here only. This is 2, 0. And if 0 to x एक्सिस पर 0 और कहाँ तक जाना है y के 2 तक. x एक्सिस पे 0 एंड y के 2 तक अगर हम गए तो द पॉइंट इज दिस. दिस इज 0, 2. सो एक्स एक्सिस पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स होंगे उन सबका वाई कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा. लाइक यहाँ पर all the points which are on the x axis their y coordinate will be 0. The same, the points which will be on the y axis their x coordinate is always 0. This is the x coordinate. x coordinate को हम बोलते हैं एब्सिसिया और y coordinate को हम बोलते हैं ऑर्डिनेट. y coordinate is called ordinate, x coordinate is called abscissa. Where the point where these two lines intersect, x axis and y axis, is called origin. That is 0 0 means x coordinate is 0, also y coordinate is 0. After learning all these basic points, do the chapter 3 in your fair notebook. Write all the basic points in your notebook that I will provide as a PDF format also. Watch this PDF format, do the work in proper and specified manner. Use graph paper for plotting the points, cut it and paste it in your notebook. Thank you.